been a hot freaking minute. I apologize. Long story short, I'm not going to get into it right now. I will later. If you miss me, I'm on Twitch every freaking day, so get on over here. See, there's chat right there. Say hi, chat. Say hi to YouTube. Anyway, first hour in the bag, $838. Currently up $2,500. It's been an absolute shit 2 months, but we're not going to talk about that. We're going to get into the trades from this morning right freaking now. All right, so this first trade that I took this morning was a red trade. Tesla had this nice move up here, pullback. It went candle over candle right here, but I think this happened, I can't remember correctly, towards the end of the candle. So I subsequently tried it here as well, making maybe like a W in this range. It didn't work out. It chopped me out. I stopped out for a loss, and then it proceeded to go. So, nice start to the day being red. That break? No. Nope. Nothing like starting the day out red. If you go right now, I'm going to be so pissed. Okay, so after I got done missing this run up here, it rejected that move pretty hard. So it didn't hold the move at all. In fact, it popped up and came right back down. So I'm thinking about, well, if that's the case, then if we break out this last support level right here, is it going to be a good short? And that's what I did. When it came back down to this level, I shorted Tesla. I took 20 of the 740 puts at 9.45. Got a quick drop here. 7 seconds later, sold them for $9.96 for about a $500 win. And it continued down. Let's see, when did I sell the rest of them? Sold the rest at $9.71. Actually, I never got a part of this, so I sold them all in here. So it dropped down, bounced up a little bit, and that's when I sold the rest for another $300. So nice, what was that, $800 right there, roughly. Nice trade. It worked out. E-Trade, you piece of shit, sell! I'm so sick of that pop-up. 2367. Shit, almost had it first go. Uh-oh. Break this 50. Okay. Come on. Push it. Okay. All right, so this one's GME. This one's a bit of a horizontal break. Yeah, just low a day, really. GME had some bad news out today. CFO leaving, blah, 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 blah. And it's very early on, and you can't really, it kind of had something like this. I don't know. All I just knew is it probably gets going to the downside since this is early in the day and it couldn't get a bounce to fill this gap here after gapping down. I thought maybe a low day move would get some momentum to the downside. And it did. It was short-lived, but got something here. When it looked like it was going to break down, I went short. I bought the 125 puts, bought 20 of them for 283, got that quick drop, sold 10 for 330, and then I slowly exited the rest, 292, 305. Nice win. All right, so I had another trade in front of this one, but I'm not going to go over that one. That was a longer hold, like a 30-minute hold, so I closed that one out. Small win, doesn't matter. This next trade is on Tesla. Tesla, nice drop here. Couldn't continue down, bouncing up. Turned into like a 5-minute play to the downside. I was trying to play right here, right? Drop, bounce, candle, under candle on the 5. Ended up not working. It turned into a double bottom here and reversed. But at the time, I didn't know it was going to do that. I had something like that. It's kind of sloppy. But I thought if we could break this and then break this, we'd get continuation down. And I was really looking for... I know it's only 2 points of contact, so 2 points of contact doesn't make a trend line, but sometimes that's all you have to work with. Horizontal is more important in this situation, and I thought if we broke this horizontal right here, this previous bounce spot, this previous support that it made, it would get the continuation it would need to break this one, the 730 level, and then continue on this tank route. So, as it looked like it was going to drop and break, I went short 725 puts at 443. As soon as it broke, I sold half at 452, and then it proceeded to bounce incredibly hard. And I sold the remaining 10 for a loss of 425 and 4. Red trade. No. Yes. Oh man, Marcus pooping. I'm holding the one thing that wants to freaking bounce here. Oh, so freaking annoying. All right, so this next trade, there's a bunch of trades before this one that I'm skipping over because they were just in and outs real quick, small wins, small losses, just chop. This one, I don't even remember why I took it. So I'm pretty, because looking back on it, it makes zero sense that I would enter anywhere in here. Let's see, this is the one we're talking about right here, 1024. Right here. There's nothing here as far as a 1 minute play. What I think was happening is that the market overall was just starting to juice and looked like it was going to break high a day and get into this gap a little bit. I think that's what I was thinking, because just looking back at my entry here, I don't know why the heck I entered here. But regardless, it worked out. I enter in. Maybe it was a 750 break. Maybe that's what it was. I think it was a 750. Was it a 750 break? Yep, I think it was a 750 break. Volume was coming in. Looked like it was going to be a 750 break, and I wanted to be in. That's right. For the 750 break, which usually is like a pop and a drop in event, right? But this one popped and held, which is a strong sign for Tesla. So I played it. I got in for that break. I got 755 calls, bought 20 of them for $4.20 here at 10:24 a.m. As soon as it broke that level, where are we at? As soon as it broke, it's right here. As soon as it broke, I sold half for $450. So $300 win. And then I had 10 left over, and I sold as it just continued to climb here. I sold some 2 minutes later at 493. Sold 3 later. What is this now? 4 minutes later for 618. 640 another one, and 638 another one. So I held this total of 28 minutes, and I sold right here as we're hitting the Bollinger Band. That's what I was seeing. I think I might have just played this again. Okay, I did. So we'll go. I'm not going to go over this GME one, but I did play Tesla again at 10:33 a.m., which is right here. And if you know me, I'm looking for the pop, pullback candle, candle over candle. That's what I was looking for, right? And I think I played this as a support buy, like kind of coming down to this. I don't know. You have to watch it. If something's super strong, like Tesla was looking and the market was looking, I'll sometimes buy support. And in this case, I don't know if I did it, because it obviously didn't come down to this red line here, the support line. It could have been just a candle over candle play. You'll see when I run it back. Got the candle over candle, broke the level. I sold, or bought at 535, 760 calls now, 20 of them. Sold it half at 552, about $200 win, just under it. Sold 5 at 565, and sold another 5 contracts at 570. And then I sold that GME for a small win as well, and I think that's how I ended. Oh no, GME went. So I guess I'll go over the GME trade as well. GME, the market was on fire at this time, and GME gapped down. I was playing kind of a break of levels and trying to get into this gap a little bit. And that's all I was trying to do. I took some calls, 130 calls. I bought them at 128. Bought 10 of them. Just let them percolate a little bit as the market was ripping. Sold half of them at 10:35 a.m. Where's that at? This candle right here as we're breaking high day. Let me get rid of that diagonal. So we're breaking high day. Sold half for about $200, $300 win, $200 win-ish. And then I started scaling out the remaining 5. 176, 178, 192, 184, 199, as it's all coming up through here. I don't know if I recorded that or not. We'll see. Let's roll the clip, see where I'm at. I was gonna go right there. Oh, yes, sir. Got it in at the right time. Markets are ripping. Wow, market is flying. Holy balls. Did you guys see that candlestick? This isn't showing the entire move. There goes Apple breaking big levels too. Break this 56.24, it's over. Green now, right? Damn right. Grove going ballistic. Keep an eye on Grove. Jimmy still in play. They opening up. Does have one level that could get interesting. Okay. Okay. All right. First hour in the bag. $836. $38. $838. Let's not try to screw it up now. All right, so it looks like that GME trade was after I already hit the stop button on the recording, so whatever. Anyway, sorry I've been MIA for a year. The TLDR version is I really hurt my body. I blew out my back. It was like a 3-month recovery. Then I got sick, and then I just didn't have the energy to do it again. And then I've had a really rough go the last 2 months of trading. And then I was like, I need to do this regardless if I'm having a rough time or not. So anyway, enjoy the video. If you liked it, subscribe. If you liked it even more, come hang out on Twitch every day. Twitch.tv/StockJock. Live trading from open to close. See you in the next video.